everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the #1 opportunity discovering platform. Today we bring you the application guide of once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, a research internship at Samsung in the USA. Applications are now open for research internship at Samsung for mmWave RFIC. The internship program is offered to provide hands-on experience and learning to the selected candidate. The individual will contribute to the development and upgrading of wireless communication system. It is an excellent opportunity for PhD students to gain experience, conduct research, and work in an international professional environment. Samsung is a well-known South Korean group of companies and one of the most successful around the world. It consists of numerous other businesses like Samsung Electronics, Samsung Engineering, Samsung Heavy Industries, and Samsung C&T. Samsung Electronics is the world's largest technology company according to the revenue of 2017. At the same time, Samsung Heavy Industries is the world's second largest shipbuilder. Samsung Engineering lies in 13th place in manufacturing, so do not miss this opportunity to work in one of the biggest multinational companies. The eligibility criteria for the Samsung internship program is applicant must be enrolled in the second year of PhD in EECS or equivalent, must have experience in using CMOS, SIGE, must be known for Foundry PDKs, experience in troubleshooting and testing RF, analog, digital and DC circuit, hands-on experience in the use of spectrum analyzers, network analysis, and oscilloscope, must know the packaging and PCB fabrication process. The internship description. The selected candidates for the internship will have the following responsibilities to perform: design architecture, make architecture contract, design IC schematics using Cadence IC tools, design layouts using Cadence IC tools, carry out RF circuits and EM simulations in Cadence, ADC, AFSS and Momentum. Carry out virus and system testing on communication products of Samsung. To apply for this internship program, click on the link given in the description section, and after clicking on the link you will be redirected to the Opportunity Circle website. You have to scroll down on this page towards the application process section and click on Apply Now to start your application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you'll be redirected to the official website of Samsung. Click on Join Us. Click on Open Positions. You can select the internship program in which you want to apply. For example, let's take the application process for Research Intern Antenna Design. Click on Apply Now. You can read the description of the internship program and scroll down and you can see Apply for this job. You have to add in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your location. You have to attach your CV. You can also add in a cover letter, your LinkedIn profile, or your website if you have any website. How did you hear about this job? And if you are a resident of California, you have to answer the additional information. Are you legally authorized to work in United States of America for Samsung Research America? Do you now or will you in the future require sponsorship for employment visa status? Select yes or no. US Equal Opportunity Employment Information. Completion is voluntary. This is not compulsory to complete this. Race and ethnicity definitions. Veteran status. Voluntary self-identification of disability. If you have any kind of disability, you have to select that in the disability section, and then after answering all the compulsory information, you can click on Submit Application to submit your application for the job that you are applying for. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.